I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I just want to quickly talk to you about the humidifier tank in the Resmed Airsense 11 and how you can fill it up and take it apart from the machine. To take the humidifier tank out of your S11, simply pull on the side of the tank and it will detach from your machine. You'll notice a max level line on the side. Make sure you don't overfill your water tank. You can open up the tank from the side and pour your water into the tank from here. Close the tank and then place it back into the side of your S11 machine. And there you have it. That's how you can take your tank out from the machine and fill it up with water, ready to be used for night. I hope you found this video insightful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.